Hello designers, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Today I'm gonna show you how to create text logo using Illustrator. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do.
What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. We try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? If there's no tomorrow, oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. What does it mean to be happy? 'Cause it looks like we all don't know. Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. We try to look to the heavens to tell us things that we beg to know. Like, what did this all mean? If there's no tomorrow, oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me, to guide me. Oh, doctor, I feel dead inside.
So that's all for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. And what kind of video you want to see in this channel, please let me know in the comment section. I always read your comments. So see you next time. Till then, bye bye.